All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and continue to investigate some patterns in vertical and horizontal lines and figure out the points on a plane as distances from the axis. So we're going to start off with these problems. And it says that we're going to use the coordinate plane to answer the questions below. So here's my coordinate plane. And one thing it says to use a straight edge to construct a line that goes through point A and point B. So we're going to do that here. But I want you guys to notice that if I know that this is 5 and this is 10, I know this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So nice that we are using whole numbers and we're not going to get into fractions with that too. You don't need to label this. This is just kind of more helping me to show you guys that this one, when you look at some coordinate planes, is what you need to do is you need to figure out what are the different marks. So I need to use a straight edge to construct a line that goes through A and B. So I'm going to construct it going through A and B. Okay. And I am going to label this line, I'm going to put a line because I want to make sure that I know what's going on, is E. And it says line E is parallel to what axis? It's parallel to the x-axis, because remember this right here is x-axis. It is perpendicular, that means it's going to meet, it's perpendicular to the y-axis. So we're going to go ahead and put y here. And it says plot two more points on line E and name them C and D. So you can kind of put them wherever you're at. I'm just going to put one here and one here. Now it says to give the coordinates for each of these points. So when I have point A, remember I'm going to go run, then jump. So I'm going to go 3, and then I'm going to go up 4. So it's 3, 4. For B, I'm going to go over run on my X and go to 11 and then go up to 4. So it's going to be 11, 4. I'm going to find C and I'm going to go over 5. So on my X, I'm going to go over 5 and then I'm going to jump up to 4. And then for D, I'm going to go over 8 and I'm going to go up 4. Okay, so I've labeled all of them. Now it says, what do all the points in line E have in common? Well, they all have the same y coordinate. They all are on the 4, so the same y coordinate. Then it says, give the coordinates of another point that would fall on line E with an x coordinate that would be greater than 15. So I could come up with so many. I could do 16 and 4. I could do 17 and 4. I could do 18 and 4. And the reason why I know this, guys, is because my y is going to stay the same because my line is on that 4 of the y-axis. I can make any x and it will always be follow onto that line of E as long as my x coordinate was greater than 15, which I made 3 of them do that.